Hello everyone and welcome back to Naughty Threads, and in today's video I will be showcasing a few of our designs. These designs we worked recently during the lockdown days for some simple weddings. So here's the first one. In this first one we have worked this kind of a deep U neck with this kind of a cutwork design. If you guys have been following me since quite some time, you guys know that I don't really like using a lot of beads in my work, so I keep it really with zari and silk thread. So this is one of those designs. And here is our next one. Again we have worked the sari kuchu and the neckline for the blouse as well. Even for this design mostly there is thread and zari used, and we have also scattered buttas a little bit here and there on the sleeve. And for the sleeve I have kept the cutwork neck border because sari is full of mangoes, so I thought adding mangoes will be a perfect match. So that's how we have designed this sari, and we have picked up a small butta and replicated the same as sari kuchu. Now this one is very interesting. This is a very beautiful single colored sari, and we've done this kind of a boat neck with an eye shape opening. Again, if you notice, it's purely zari and thread work with matching latkans. The sari edging, again we have prepared the design keeping the design in the sari intact. So this particular sari had lotus kind of designs in the inside, so that was the focus point, and we have created the sari pallu edging with the lotus, and the same design is worked on the sleeve. And to keep it a little different, we have worked a different kind of a neckline. Again, everything is cut work. If you notice, it's boat neck with this kind of an eye shape opening and matching latkans. The latkans are stitched with some bead hangings just to keep it all trendy together. So I hope you guys like this. Do let me know what you think about this design. Now this is the close-up of the sleeve, and we've also done small booties just to keep it a little elegant. So you can see all different types of stitches used, mostly clove stitch, French knots, ring knots. These are mostly my favorite stitches, and that's what I prefer using in most of the blouses I design. This one again is a simple neckline with heavy sleeve and heavy sari kuchu design. So this particular kuchu design is one of my favorites from our catalogs, and the blouse also you can see is worked very elegantly. So the next one here is a soft silk sari blouse, and we have worked a floral kind of a neckline. Just scattered some booties as well. The sari is actually very pretty. Unfortunately I lost the clip where I shot the blouse along with the sari, so I'm not able to include it here. So whatever contrast color you see in the blouse, that is the color of the sari, and it has very elegant zari work. And this is the sleeve part where we have kept it a little trendy so that it matches with the soft silk kind of sari. Now here again, coming back, I just want to show you guys all these 3 sari kuchu designs, 3 or 4 sari kuchu designs together. So do let me know which one is your favorite. So mostly how I work is I kind of pick up whatever is there in the sari pallu and try to recreate it as a design on the edge. So this is one of the easiest trick that we could do. If not, if you don't want the same design to be replicated, then you can totally go with something really offbeat, anything of your choice. So I'm just sharing these to you guys so that it's helpful in case you are a beginner, if you have a small business or whatever, or if you are already doing ari work at home, I'm sure this video is very helpful. Now this is again a cutwork neckline, completely worked with thread and zari. There is no use of beads as well, and for this particular blouse we have added sequin tassels. Now this other one is again a silk blouse with geometrical work, mostly again used zari and silk thread, and we have kept one jharkan or stone along with matching latkans. Now this particular one is the tassels that you're seeing are is done using the tatting method. it's called tatting sari tassels, and this is the boat neck blouse. The shoulder part of the blouse is like kind of heavy, and we have used completely thread and zari only, and only for the buttas we have used some zardosi and kundans. We have also added some bead hangings just to keep it a little trendy. So when you actually wear this kind of blouse, it looks really great. So here's a quick recap of everything. I really want to know which one of these designs are you going to try, if you already know how to do Ari work, or just let me know which one you like the most so that I get to know your taste. And also there is a tatting workshop going on Monday and Tuesday on Facebook Live. So there are very limited seats left. This is the first time I'm doing some live session like this, so do extend your support. The course is not too expensive, it's very affordable, and you will be learning basics of tatting. So just check the link in the comments. I'm going to pin the comment. Once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you to the Facebook page where you will see all the details in the events, and you can just join and learn this new art called tatting. So in case you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and yeah, definitely I will look forward to what you think about this video. Also let me know if you want to see more such videos. I know I have been really off YouTube since quite some time because it's a very busy schedule, and moreover since the lockdown time I've been occupied with too many things. Going forward, I'll try my best to post more such videos. And also for people who are watching this video for the first time, and if you guys are not aware, I own a boutique, and we are located in Kasturi Nagar in Banaswadi, and we are working full time now. So in case you want to get your blouses designed, please feel free to reach me on my WhatsApp number and schedule your appointments. Because of all the pandemic, we are scheduling the appointments prior to meet. So do reach me out on the WhatsApp number. All the details are mentioned below. Do check it out and schedule your appointments accordingly and drop by. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon.